Garages not only are places where we park our cars, but they are also important spaces where repairs, storage, and family activities take place. Today, we're featuring all aspects of these unique Hexagon lights, including their design, installation, benefits, and creative applications to help you create a garage that stands out. First, let's take a look at the diverse designs of Hexagon lamps. Available in a variety of sizes and materials, these lamps are highly adaptable to different design concepts. Whether it's a modern minimalist style or an industrial retro feel, the Hexagon design always blends well with any style. Hexagon lights not only make you look good in terms of appearance, but also provide more options in terms of light source. You can choose to customize different color temperatures according to your needs to ensure that your garage has the ideal lighting for different occasions. Best of all, Hexagon lights can significantly reduce your energy consumption and lower your electric bill. Depending on the material and quality of the fixture, Hexagon lights can last for tens of thousands of hours, reducing the hassle of frequent bulb changes and allowing you to enjoy consistent lighting for a long period of time. Some are suitable for outdoor use. This ensures your investment lasts for years to come. Hexagon lights are also very easy to install, and they can be used both indoors and outdoors. Whether mounted on either side of a garage door or on an interior wall, Hexagon lights fit perfectly into your space layout, providing even, dead-end lighting that brightens every corner of your garage. Whether you're a car enthusiast or an everyday car owner, Hexagon lights bring more than just illumination to your garage. It's a whole new experience. Customize your perfect garage by choosing the design, light source, and installation that's right for you. Hexagon lights, combining bright illumination, energy efficiency, and unique aesthetics to light up your very own garage. Gonengo specializes in sticking to LED workshop lighting R&D and diversified technological innovations. We also have RGB Hexagon lights, Hexagon lighting systems, lighting tunnels, ceiling light panels, ceiling light box, and other cool stuff for you to discover.